Imagine this. You order a car online, and it drives itself to your doorstep. No delivery truck, no flatbed, no driver. Just your brand new Tesla, cruising on its own from the factory straight to your home. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not anymore. Tesla just made history with the world's first autonomous car delivery. This is a major milestone, not just for Tesla, but for the entire automotive industry. In this video, we're diving deep into how it happened, what it means, and what comes next. Is the future of car delivery really driverless? What kind of tech makes this possible? Stick around, because this might be the most revolutionary thing Tesla has done since autopilot. So here's what actually happened. Tesla delivered a customer's brand new vehicle using full self-driving (FSD) software without a human behind the wheel. The car navigated from a designated Tesla facility and arrived safely at the buyer's address. The route included city streets, traffic lights, intersections, and highway merges. It wasn't some closed-track experiment. This was real-world driving. Elon Musk confirmed the news on X, formerly Twitter, calling it a huge leap for autonomy. This delivery marks a serious step forward in Tesla's self-driving ambitions. It wasn't just about showcasing tech. It was a functional, logistical service. It saved Tesla time, labor, and even fuel costs. And the best part? The customer filmed the whole arrival. That moment quickly went viral. So how does a Tesla deliver itself without crashing into something? The secret lies in Tesla's full self-driving FSD beta software. FSD uses a combination of cameras, sensors, GPS data, and neural networks to see the world around it. Unlike traditional autonomous systems that rely heavily on LiDAR, Tesla's approach is vision-based. That means the car processes what its cameras see, like a human eye connected to an AI brain. The car maps out its environment in real time, making split-second decisions. This includes stopping for pedestrians, reading traffic lights, and avoiding obstacles. Tesla also uses Dojo, their powerful supercomputer, to train the AI with millions of driving scenarios. That data is collected from Tesla vehicles all around the world. The more people drive Teslas, the smarter the system gets. So in a way, every Tesla owner is helping deliver the future. You might be wondering, why does an autonomous delivery even matter? It matters because it changes how we think about logistics and ownership. Imagine a world where dealerships are optional. Your car shows up like an Amazon package, already fueled and ready to go. This means fewer trucks on the road, less delivery manpower needed, and faster fulfillment times. It's also a signal that Tesla's FSD is maturing faster than many expected. Until now, the public's trust in autonomous vehicles has been cautious. But a self-delivering car shows practical, safe use, not just hype. It's also a win for accessibility. Someone with limited mobility can now receive a car without stepping outside. And for Tesla, it's one step closer to making self-driving profitable. It's not just about safety, it's now about service. Elon Musk has always talked big about autonomous driving. He said that FSD will eventually make cars 10 times safer than human drivers. He's also envisioned a world of autonomous robot access, where your Tesla earns money while you sleep. Critics have called that a fantasy until now. This autonomous delivery shows that the foundation is real and operational. Musk called this milestone proof of concept for full autonomy. He believes Tesla's AI approach will beat traditional methods in the long run. While regulators are still cautious, this event puts pressure on governments to keep up. It's no longer just theoretical. It's happening now. Elon's bet on autonomy is risky, but moves like this make it hard to ignore. He might just be turning science fiction into everyday life. Of course, it's not all smooth roads. There are major challenges facing autonomous car delivery. For one, regulation varies by country and even by state. Not all roads are FSD ready, especially in rural or high-traffic areas. Tesla's system still requires constant software updates and over-the-air improvements. What happens if the car hits an unpredictable situation, like construction or a road closure? Tesla claims the car will alert support and request human help, but that's still a gray area. Then there's public safety. Can we fully trust a computer with a 4,000-pound machine? Incidents in the past have made headlines, even if they were rare. So while this delivery was a success, there's still a long way to go before it's routine. But every breakthrough starts with a first step, and this was a big one. The person who received the world's first autonomous delivery? They were thrilled. In an interview, the customer said the car arrived smoothly, quietly, and perfectly parked. They described it as a sci-fi moment come true. There was even a crowd gathered outside to witness the final arrival. It's not every day. Your new car rolls up on its own. The footage showed the Tesla navigating a roundabout and stopping perfectly in front of the home. No scraping, no wrong turns, no drama. It beeped, unlocked, and waited like a polite valet. This wasn't a test run. It was a real, usable experience, and the internet loved it. Naturally, this move got everyone talking, especially rival automakers. Companies like GM, Ford, and Waymo have been developing autonomy for years. But Tesla just pulled ahead with real-world execution. Some critics say it's still a publicity stunt. Others admit it's a major leap forward in practical deployment. Traditional car companies tend to test autonomy in closed environments. Tesla just threw it into the wild and let it prove itself. That boldness is part of what makes Tesla hard to compete with. Even if others catch up technically, they may not take the same risks. This puts pressure on the entire auto industry to step up. Innovation waits for no one. So what happens after this milestone? Tesla is expected to roll out more autonomous deliveries in the coming months. It might start small, local deliveries, near showrooms or factories. Eventually, though, the plan is to go national, even global. Tesla also wants to introduce summon delivery, where your car drives to you from wherever it is parked. And then there's the robotaxi network, which Elon says could start within a couple of years. Imagine hailing a driverless car from your phone. That's the long-term goal. Tesla is also working on refining Dojo to make FSD smarter and faster. They're testing in more cities, more conditions, and collecting massive amounts of data. If all goes well, buying a car could become a 100% digital, autonomous process. That's a game changer. So let's wrap it up with the big question. What does this mean for you? Will your next car drive itself home? Not quite yet, but we're getting closer. Tesla's move shows how fast the technology is advancing. If you're a Tesla owner, you're already part of the learning loop that powers FSD. And if you're thinking of buying one, this might be your sign. Will governments support or restrict these deliveries? That's still uncertain. But consumer demand could drive policy faster than expected. Would you trust a car to show up without a driver? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Because the future is arriving, literally. The world's first autonomous car delivery isn't just a flex. It's a glimpse of tomorrow. Tesla and Elon Musk are pushing boundaries that once seemed impossible. Whether you love them or question them, you can't ignore their impact. This single event could change how we buy, drive, and experience cars forever. Technology is racing forward, and this was a major checkpoint. Now the question is, how soon until it's the norm? As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest automotive breakthroughs. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more. From EVs to AI to motorsport tech, we cover it all here. And hey, would you let your car come home by itself? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.